The Supreme Court appears ready to overturn the Roe versus Wade decision that established the right to an abortion. That, according to a leaked document from the Supreme Court published last night by Politico.
WKRG News 5's Nicolette Schleisman has been following this story all day and has more.
Abortion is still safe, legal, and available.
There's one Planned Parenthood facility in Mobile. The organization says they plan to continue their normal operations. This just after the leak of a draft opinion from the Supreme Court stating they would overturn Roe v. Wade.
The reality is that 80% of people in the United States support access to reproductive health care, including abortion.
This draft opinion was written by Justice Samuel Alito in response to a Mississippi law banning abortion after 15 weeks. 4 conservative judges are siding with Justice Alito. Congressman Jerry Carl said in a statement the leak is, quote, a shameful attempt by the radical pro-abortion left to sway our Supreme Court justices. Senator Tommy Tuberville released a lengthy statement on the leak. He said in part the leaking of the opinion, quote, runs counter to the Supreme Court's deliberative nature and its independence from political influence. Senator Richard Shelby echoing both of their statements that the Supreme Court should remain independent of politics. He weighed in on the draft opinion, saying, quote, I have long believed that the 1973 Supreme Court decision in Roe v. Wade was unconstitutional, end quote. Planned Parenthood says they'll continue fighting.
This isn't really about health care. This is simply about a few radical politicians wanting to overturn Roe to make a political point.
Supreme Court Chief Justice John Roberts released a statement about the leaked draft, saying it was authentic but is not the final decision. Roberts has directed the court's marshal to launch an investigation to determine the source of the leak. A final opinion is expected to come down before the Supreme Court session ends this summer.